What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to attach your lights to your ACC-B. Now to do this, we're going to take the included hardware that came with the T-bar, and if we take a look at just one of the pieces here, you'll see this wing nut at the bottom. We're gonna take that off for right now. And there's also two washers to protect the holes on the bottom and on the top of the arm here. So we're just gonna take out one of the washers for right now, place that next to our wing nut. So now this way we can take the screw and run it through one of the holes here on our arm, just like that. Then I can take one of my lights with this bracket here and run the screw through the holes of the bracket, just like this. And now I can use this wing nut here to secure the light onto the T-bar. You can even take a wedge light like this one here with these screw holes that are built into the light. For this setup, you can take one of your screws and remove the wing nut altogether. We won't need it for this setup. Then just take off one of your washers for now, and then take the screw and one washer and run it through one of the holes here on your T-bar. Then we can take the washer that we took off just before and run it through the other end, just like that. Then you can line up one of the screw holes of your wedge light to the screw here on your bar, and then just screw it on to secure the light onto the T-bar. And then you can just follow the same exact steps, whether you're using a par light or a wedge light, if you want to attach them onto the other side of your T-bar. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your lights onto your ACC-B. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.